What up, y'all? It's your boy Dame back with another video. About to get into it about the tank. Ain't had a video on this thing in a while. But this video is basically for people who want to lift their truck a couple of inches. Nothing crazy like a 6-inch lift, so you're not gonna be sitting up super tall, but it will even out your truck. And you can do all of this stuff at home with common tools. So if you're somewhat mechanically savvy, you'll be able to do it. So I lifted mine about 2.5 inches, almost 3 inches in the front. So it kind of squats a little bit, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Warning, this video is for your enjoyment and to encourage all crime truck enthusiasts alike. No goal is too big when your dreams are involved. No cars or trucks were harmed in the making of this video.
You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck.
So let's get into it. So basically, I got my cousin's truck here for a reference. But basically, on these trucks from the factory, the front end of these sit at least 2 inches, 3 inches lower than the back end. So like on my cousin's Tahoe, you can kind of see it's not that much wheel gap right there. But on the back, you can see it's sitting up higher, of course. So that's why you want to get a leveling kit. Not so much as a lift kit, but just a leveling kit. Now on my truck, I leveled out the whole thing. And it's not as much wheel gap as the Tahoe. But the driver's side is always going to sit a little lower than the passenger side because the gas tank is over here, and that holds a good amount of weight to be able to weigh the other side of the truck down. But this side sits up way higher. You see, it's a lot of wheel gap right there, and that's what you want to go for. So you get under the truck and you want to locate the torsion key and the torsion bar. I don't know if you can see it, but there goes, there's a screw right here, and that screw raises the torsion key all the way up, so that will lift the front end of your truck up. And it's another screw on the other side over there. I don't know if you can see it, but if you crank these, if you twist these all the way up to they're flush with this little plate right here, that little plate, you can see it, it'll lift the truck up. But you want to make sure both sides are even. If not, the truck is going to be lopsided and it's going to be all over the place. But now when doing this is going to put stress on your control arms a little bit and your shocks. So right now I don't have shock extenders, but you want to get shock extenders when you do this because the shocks are a little too short to be able to handle the new height of the front end of the truck. But it will stiffen the suspension, so I don't recommend riding around like this too long. But it is something cool to get until you know your rough county leveling kit comes in, or before you decide to completely lift your truck. But it's simple. All you need is a ratchet, and I think it was a 19 millimeter I had to use, and it's going to take some strength and some force to be able to do it, but it's fairly easy. It's a quick little fix, something you know you can enjoy. The truck, you'll notice on the inside your truck is going to be sitting up a little taller. The truck look a little bit more aggressive. I put 2-inch spacers on it too, so it adds a little bit of aggression. And these are 33, so I want to go 35s, but honestly, I think if I go 35s, I'll actually have to really get this thing lifted. But it looks mean, in my opinion. You can kind of see it poking out a little bit. It just looks way more aggressive, in my opinion. Here's a good shot. All right, people, so this is my truck right here on the stock height, and it wasn't that aggressive. So right here is the truck lifted about 2.5, almost 3 inches, and it looks way more aggressive. So my wife, she drives this truck, and she's about 5'2", and she thinks it sits up too high. So if you're a shorty, you know, I advise getting a booster seat or something like that, or a pillow to sit on, because you will notice a difference when you sit inside of there. So, oh, speaking of the devil, come on out. I'm recording a video for YouTube. So since you drive this and it's lifted up a little bit, what's your take on it? What is your advice to anybody that's about your height sitting in there when you're driving?
It's okay. I feel like the seat can go up just a tad bit higher because I am only 5 feet.
Breathtaking.
Oh, I thought you was 5. I said 5'2".
No, I'm 5 feet.
Huh.
Other than that, that's fine. It's just a gas person. But other than that, it's pretty cool.
Well, we ain't worried about gas. If you get in a truck like this, last thing you worry about is gas,
No,
right?
I'm worried about gas.
Anyway, why don't you get in there real quick?
You want me to adjust my seat to how I was sitting?
Yeah, go ahead. Adjust it so we can see. You said it was hard to see over the hood.
Well, at first it was when you first did it, but it's getting a little better now.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, I stand corrected. I guess the suspension must have settled down a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see her in there.
You have to get so close to me.
I don't even think I can see because the reflection on the glass.
Yeah.
But yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip or a little trick to lift your truck up about 3 inches if you want to fit 33s under there, or if you just wanted a more aggressive look on the front end. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.
Thug life.